So hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video. So today is the second day of the challenge of I turned off my phone for 7 days. As you can see in the background and hear by the noise, it's raining outside and you even saw lightning flashes. I don't know whether it's caught up on the microphone or anything, but if you can hear it, you can hear the sound of thunder, and the cars are going with their wipers on. So it's not a good sight for today because I thought of showing what I do every day with my phone while I'm out of my house. So anyway, I did not even get to touch my cycle today because of two weather conditions which prevented me. So I woke up today at 11 o'clock at the morning, and at that time it was scorching hot because in India it's peak summer, and the sun usually starts to have the heat coming out by around 8 p.m. here in India, in peak summer times that is. So by the time I woke up and took a bath, it was impossible to go outside because of the heat and everything. And I slept for some time, and even as soon as I took my bicycle to go out to film a video at 5 p.m., it started raining, and it's been continuously raining for about 4 hours now. It's currently 9 p.m. right now here in India. So anyway, I like watching the rain when it rains. So here I am watching it on the second day of my challenge. And by the way, I've not turned off my phone. I mean, not turned on my phone. I'm sorry, I'm getting it used to the word. So I'm not turned off my phone, and it has been successfully 24 hours since I started this challenge. So it's one day, so that is good. No problems right now, everything is normal. Like, I'm getting adjusted to the challenge very good. So no problems, I'm using my phone okay properly and right. So okay, so what do I do when they are not raining, you may ask? So when it's not raining, I take my bicycle out. There's a park near my house which is very big, and I love bicycles, but there's a little bit of sand and dirt on one side of the park, so I drive my bicycle there. So it's kind of like an off-road practice there. And if you know categories of bicycles these days, it's an MTB mine. It's a mountain terrain bicycle. So it has all these brand new tires and with some extra grooves on it. So I decided to put it to test yesterday, and it worked out pretty well. So watching the rain right now. By the way, we'll go inside and see what all I'm doing on my other phone, which I'm not doing in my phone. And if you may be wondering in which phone I am filming this video, I asked special permission from my uncle to film in his phone because my phone will be connected to something else which I'm going to show you in a minute, and my other phone is obviously turned off. So I asked his permission to do it, and luckily my uncle gave me his permission. And it's a surprise it comes because I built a secret room in my car and I filmed in this phone only. So come on, let's go inside. I'm gonna lock the doors, turn off the exterior lights, and let's go inside. I'll catch up to you once we're inside to show what I'm gonna be doing next. So I come inside to my living room, and I have the tablet here with me, which I play games on, but majority of the time it's my phone. And this is my phone, and to show you the proof which I'm not cheating, by the way, I'm a YouTuber who does not cheat. So I'm gonna bring my phone now, and I will show it to you live. I'm not gonna even pause the video. Just give me 5 seconds, I'll come back with the phone. Just 5 seconds, and it is proof that I didn't even turn it on. So sprinting to the room. Yeah, came back. So this is my other phone, and to show you I'm not cheating, so these are my two phones right here. So this is the proof I'm filming in my uncle's phone. So will there be anything like I'm checking? So I'm turning it, it's not turning on at all, which means I switched it off. So I'm gonna keep this one aside right now in front of you viewers. So taking out my tablet to play games as usual, but also I listen to music in my phone. There's a radio in my phone, both of them. So I have my earphones right here. So I'm gonna be showing the games which I play on my phone. So I've linked it to my tablet right now. So let's start the game. Real time car driving game. Engine start. So the game is loading right now, but I'm gonna show you clips of footages right here. Yeah, the game is on. So this gives you a better view, and I'm gonna hold it like this just for your viewers to see that I'm replaying in real time. Okay, play career mode. Okay, those ads are just so irritating that I feel like punching the tablet in anger. So skip video. Okay, back to my game. So skip the tutorial. Okay, engine start, seat belt on. So the car is moving at a checkpoint. So I'm gonna now turn the indicator on and just continue the game. It's kind of hard to play with one hand. Okay, so now we're gonna close the game and I'm gonna show you the next one, the radio on my phone. So I'm gonna keep the tablet aside right now, taking my phone, and by the way this one is still right here. So on the end of the challenge I am going to show real proof that I haven't turned off my phone in 7 days. So I have an Instagram account which I've not made it official on YouTube. So I'm gonna make it official after this challenge, and then I'm gonna show it in my uncle's phone that I haven't turned it on. It will show the last scene on Instagram. Okay, password enter. Okay, so going to the apps on my phone, just getting just I hope this gives, yeah, now. Okay, please connect wired headset to listen. I'm gonna connect it now. Earphone in ears. Okay, alright, connecting. Okay, it's coming. Great sound. So this is the one on the earphone which actually catches the signal and relays it to the phone. So I'm gonna play it on loudspeaker. So I hope you listened to it. I'm still listening to it and just filming. Just adjusting the cord. Just great song. So I really like these songs which come on the radio. Like so good. I even listen to it on my car. It's like the FM radio on the car. So I'm kind of getting distracted. I'm keeping to keep my flow. And by the way, I forgot to remind you, this couch has not been seen in months. So I'm sitting on it filming the video. So back to music. Great, best song ever. So taking it out, turning off the radio, and now coming back. So now, how did I feel about these days, you may ask? Well, it's only the second day of the challenge, so feeling really good. And don't forget, if I survive this challenge properly and I don't get stressed, distracted, bored, or anything without my other phone, I'm gonna be turning both my phones off for 2 weeks. So stay tuned for the third day, which is tomorrow, and I will show you my off roading skills in the park. So that time there will be someone to film the video for me. And tomorrow I think my mom is coming to film the video. I'm gonna give her a request to help me do a video. So that's it. Today's day 2. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and have a nice day as always.